Hello everyone, this is Micah over at MJM3DSolution's. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace the stock Wheelie Wheels with my replacement ones over at MJM3DSolution's on Facebook. So these are made out of a more flexible rubber other than this hard plastic. As you can probably see, they are very worn. Just after a few weeks of bashing, this hard plastic just gets caught on the asphalt and just starts ripping away at the hard plastic. This rubber gives a little bit more, doesn't catch on the asphalt as much, and also gives you a nice cool look to your truck. Now this is just an Xmaxx mount that I had cut down and had on my Sledge for a little while. Just mounted to the wing, pretty crude design, but it's good for this purpose of not having the whole truck in here. So, as with most of my products, it all uses the same stock hardware, so no need to go out and buy hardware. And all that. So, these replace all of Traxxas's wheelie bars that use these type of wheels. As far as my knowledge goes, that is the Xmaxx, the Maxx, and the Sledge so far. If there is another vehicle that Traxxas uses that I am completely unaware of, please leave it down in the comments and I will update my listings, but I am like 99% sure that it is just those three trucks. Now with the Maxx, at least mine came with the plastic bushings, and the Sledge and I believe the Xmaxx come with bearings. So these new replacement wheels will be compatible with either or, the bearings and the bushings. So depending if you get them for your Maxx and you have those plastic bushings and then you want to upgrade to bearings later, you do not need to, don't need to have to worry about buying different wheels or anything. So you have the bearings, you have those little axles. We put the stock wheels aside, keep these two screws. Now we'll get the wheels, just pop the bearings in. We have the little axle piece, and then just pop it on. They go on very smoothly. We'll have that to the side. Again, just pop the bearing in. And for the plastic bushing, this is the same process. So nothing's much different there. There we go. Just make sure those bearings are pushed in all the way, and then we can get to mounting it to your actual wheelie bar. With the Traxxas wheelie bars, pretty nice. They have like these little slots. They just kind of slide in. And then you can just use that stock hardware with your 2.5mm driver and go ahead and screw that on. Again, the other one, they'll just slide in. And there we go. There, as you can see, still rotates. Still smooth. So a little bit more of a stylish option, adding to your car rather than these Traxxas wheels. And also they'll last a little bit longer when you're wheeling off on road, so it won't catch on the asphalt as much, and might even get you some better wheelies. I don't know how much it'll actually affect your wheelies on how more stabilized it'll be, but it'll definitely not wear out as much. So there's one of these products. Sell them on my Facebook page at MJM3DSolution's. Have a whole lineup for the Sledge, Maxx, Xmaxx, and some other trucks coming along. So again, that's MJM3DSolution's. I mostly just go through Facebook. It's the easiest. I do have an eBay, but I'd rather you guys kind of go through Facebook, just so I can get you guys a better deal there. Just have it on eBay just in case. But again, MJM3DSolution's. This has been Micah. and I'll see you in the next instruction video.